Good day, here's the latest news for today. The Provincial Health Office has taken another step with the Department of Health as they start to conduct an orientation for the upcoming vaccine to fight the deadly virus on Monday, January 25, 2021. Let's have Raymark Semanya for the details.
Yes, through the cooperation of the two offices, the first COVID-19 Rollout orientation in the province was conducted successfully. The orientation will run for 5 days with one interlocal health zone for each day. The first day of the orientation was held in El Salvador City and was joined by the first interlocal health zone called Galileo, which consists of the municipalities of Opol, Alubihid, Laguindingan, Gitagum, Libertad, Initaw, and El Salvador City. Doctors and nurses are important delegates to the event as they will facilitate the upcoming vaccination against COVID-19, along with other representatives in each town. It was also attended by the City Mayor of El Salvador, Honorable Edgar Lignes. And according to Dr. Marieto Austin Paasa, that only 60 to 70% of the country's population can be vaccinated due to the insufficient funding from our government. The PHO and DOH also classify the priorities to be vaccinated, and the frontline health workers are on top before other frontliners and indigent individuals. During vaccination, the team will serve 70 to 100 vaccines a day. One of the purposes of the orientation is to bring health workers, vaccinators, and social mobilizers to not be afraid of the vaccination, and to also clarify doubts about the vaccines because they will play a very crucial role in convincing and motivating people not to be afraid to be vaccinated. We can still get COVID-19 under control if we uniformly throughout the country implement public health guidelines. And with the effort of Governor Bambi Imano, our province will be able to blunt and mitigate the slope of a surging curve of the virus. No doubt that the success of our fight against COVID-19 will soon be achieved. This is Raymark Semanya, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing.
Thank you, Raymark. In another development, the province of Misamis Oriental has the assurance of safety as the rollout of vaccine immunization may come in the second quarter of this year for Misamisnans. Let's have Mark Sanchez for the details.
Yes, Jing, in the course of the provincial capital's 41st virtual flag raising ceremony on Monday, January 25, 2021, Provincial IATF Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan announced that a meeting together with the Department of Health was conducted to discuss the rollout of vaccine immunization in Misamis Oriental for Misamisnans, with the vaccination activity to be sponsored by the Department of Health. During their meeting last Friday, January 22, 2021, Dr. Kalingasan said that the final day of submission of the master list for Region 10 will be on March 31, 2021, signifying that the rollout of the vaccines for Misamis Oriental may come in the second quarter of this year. Despite the definite guidelines for its acquisition are yet to be released, its procurement is expected to be done through the LGU legislative process. According to Dr. Kalingasan, prioritization of the COVID-19 immunization program will be given to frontline health workers. The Provincial Health Office have also conducted its own survey on who will be prioritized for vaccine immunization, which includes uniformed personnel in Misamis Oriental. Governor Bambi Imano assures everyone that the prioritization ladder for the vaccines set by the National IATF will be strictly followed, and advises all the Misamisnans to always adhere to the minimum health protocols, emphasizing that the safety of the people is his priority. This is Mark Sanchez, aimed towards clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Mark, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. This is Jing Karasit. Good day.